Your business has a ceiling, and it's not your service quality, your pricing, or even your team. It's your complete reliance on referrals. And I want you to think about it. If you serve 100 clients per year, and each refers, let's say, 2 people, your maximum growth is capped at 200 new clients annually. Meanwhile, there are literally 100,000 plus potential customers in your market who have never heard of you, and they're going to your competitors instead. I've seen businesses with incredible services just kind of like struggle for years, barely growing, while their competitors with average offerings explode to 7 figures. Now you might be asking, what's the difference? One business waits for warm leads to walk through the door, while the other one has mastered converting complete strangers into paying clients. And the gap between these two types of businesses grows wider and wider every single day in 2025. And if you can consistently convert cold traffic, you're essentially building a business with a permanent growth ceiling. So in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to break down exactly why this one skill separates $1 million businesses from the rest. And I'll show you the mathematical reality of relying solely on referrals versus having a system that converts cold traffic. When it comes to warm traffic, let's say you're looking at a high close rate. We're talking about 50 to even 90% of the time, which feels good. Who doesn't love an easy close? But warm traffic comes with just one big problem. There's a very limited volume, and the timing is completely unpredictable. Worse yet, it's entirely out of your control. You can't force people to refer you, no matter how good your service is. This means good business, but with a permanent growth cap. So every business owner loves referrals, and they should. The thing about referrals are they're amazing, they're pre-sold, and they're super easy to close. But the thing that business owners ignore the most, so first things first, you need content that demonstrates your expertise. Stop running away from content that is something that is a requirement now. And it's not about going viral. It's about showing your potential clients that you know what you're talking about. Secondly, you need social platforms that allow people to follow your journey. As soon as somebody clicks on your profile, you need clickable links and a clear roadmap for them to follow. Third, you need email sequences that build trust over time. Maybe try a regular newsletter or just regular updates that keep you on top of mind. Whatever that is, I'll leave that up to you. And what that looks like, it's going to be your homework. Fourth, retargeting ads that follow people who've shown interest but haven't converted yet. When someone goes from never having heard of you to seeing your content, to following you, to consuming more of your content, to joining your email list, getting retargeted with an ad, and then finally booking a call, at that point, they're no longer a cold traffic. They're warmed up and they're ready to buy. This is the exact process that turns strangers into customers. And it's what separates businesses that hit a ceiling from those that continue to grow year after year. The businesses that master this process don't just grow, they literally become unstoppable. Because when you can predictably convert cold traffic to customers, you remove the ceiling on your business growth. You're no longer dependent on, referrals or even word of mouth. And in a world where most businesses still rely exclusively on the referrals, the ability to close cold traffic isn't just an advantage, it's literally going to 10x your business. And if you want to learn more about how we help businesses like yours build these exact systems, there's a calendar link in the description. You just feel free to book a call with me. Either me or someone from my team is going to hop on a call with you. We're going to do a quick strategy session to see exactly how we can help, and then we'll take it from there. Because remember, your business has a ceiling, and it's not your service quality, your pricing, or your team. It's your inability to close cold traffic. Fix that and everything changes.